Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the GIGASTONE 32GB DDR5 5600MHz SODIMM, a memory upgrade designed specifically for laptops. If you're looking to boost your notebook's performance, especially in demanding tasks, this might be just what you need. This particular module is a 32GB single stick, utilizing the DDR5 standard. It operates at a frequency of 5600 MHz, which translates to a PC 5-44800 speed rating. This means it can handle a significant amount of data transfer, leading to snappier response times in applications and games. The GIGASTONE module conforms to the SODIMM form factor, making it compatible with laptops, notebooks, and all-in-one computers that support DDR5 memory. It features 262 pins and operates at a voltage of 1.1 V. The timings are CL46-46-46-90. One key feature of DDR5 memory is the inclusion of a Power Management Integrated Circuit, or PMIC. This chip enhances power efficiency, which is crucial for laptops where battery life is always a concern. The PMIC helps regulate power delivery to the memory module, optimizing performance while minimizing energy consumption. Installation is generally straightforward, similar to installing any other SODIMM module. However, it's crucial to ensure that your laptop is indeed compatible with DDR5 memory before purchasing. Also, double-check the maximum supported memory capacity for each slot. In terms of real-world performance, users can expect noticeable improvements in multitasking, content creation, and gaming. With 32 GB of RAM, you'll have ample headroom for running multiple applications simultaneously without experiencing slowdowns. Demanding software like video editing suites and CD programs will benefit from the increased memory bandwidth and capacity. Gamers should also see smoother frame rates and reduced loading times, especially in memory-intensive titles. The GIGASTONE DDR5 module is unbuffered and non-ECC. This is typical for consumer-grade laptop memory. ECC memory, which includes error correction, is more commonly found in servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. Overall, the GIGASTONE 32GB DDR5 5600MHz SODIMM presents a compelling upgrade option for laptop users seeking a performance boost. Its high speed, large capacity, and power-efficient design make it a worthwhile investment for those who frequently engage in demanding tasks. Just be sure to verify compatibility with your specific laptop model before making a purchase.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.